Hey everyone, welcome back to Code of the Row. In this video, we're going to be going over the new free FAB assets for Unreal Engine, available until November 4th, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Let's go ahead and check these out. So first up, we got construction props. So very hyper-realistic looking construction props, probably really good for horror games, simulation game, even any type of simulation building type games would be nice. There are different stages of building up these buildings and so on. And then next up, we'll go over the 2-in-1 Nanite environment bundle by Dazzling Divine. So we have this really nice foresty area that looks really beautiful. And then also this lava volcanic environment and so on. And just a ton that you can do. This looks really, really nice. I can't wait to see that in game. And then we have Robot 3 by SDK Warrior. I don't know what this is, honestly. Probably just a nice looking character. It's highly rated, so pretty excited to see how it is. Has some gun animations, really modular parts, color variations, and tested with the game animation sample. And let's go ahead and just download these, import these, and check these out. All right, so first, before we start, just wanted to let you guys know this Ultra Asset Mega Pack just came out on Humble Bundle. My affiliate link is in the description below. I will be going over this in another video of all the assets probably tomorrow, so you should see that uploaded coming soon. But let's get into the FAB assets right now. All right, so the first one we're going to be going over is the construction assets. So we have different types of grounds, different types of cement blocks, staircases, wooden outlines of houses or buildings. We got ladders, some generators, gravel, and so on. Just a ton of different types of construction assets that can be very useful as implied in the name. We also got wooden planks. And overall, yeah, you can make like a hyper realistic Mario game with this. Don't sue me, Nintendo. With all these like brick actions and concrete stuff, you can rebuild New York City, or just at least the construction side. And overall, really cool looking asset. So here's like a base ground sample of gravel, nicely laid out cement blocks, and so on, as if they are making some kind of apartment complex. And then we also have a garage over here and different levels of construction. So this is kind of like the higher tier one before being completely finished or something. Imagine making like a hyper realistic modern day Age of Empires. Actually, that would just be like Sims Theme Park or Sims Tycoon or something. But yeah, overall, really cool asset, very realistic. And let's go ahead and check out the next one. All right, so this one might actually be used in some of my demos or projects because this looks amazing. This game or this level just looks really realistic, really pretty, kind of like what you'd see in a survival game or an RPG game. There's just a ton of different types of foliage. It's a very bright green color, kind of looks untouched by humans. There's moss and algae growing on the rocks and so on. And it looks really, really nice. The sun rays are here. This is using Nanite, so if it does look a little choppy, I probably just need to restart my computer because I'm one of those people who never restarts their computer. But overall, this looks amazing. So let's actually go around the level a little more just to kind of showcase what else is here. A lot of background could make like a hyper realistic Valheim type game. I guess it's really just for that. Let me hit play because I saw a camera in the scene. Okay, I did not see this. So if you hit play, you'll get this kind of cinematic coming out of a dungeon and seeing the overview of where we just were. And then it also plays some piano music, which I probably have muted. If you get motion sickness, I'm sorry. All right, so let's take a look at the next asset pack. But overall, really cool. I didn't even notice this dungeon over here. Oh, or this cave. But yeah, it's pretty small. All right, let's take a look at the lava level now because there are two environments that come with this pack. All right, so I just opened it up. We got our god rays. We have our lava. It's kind of animated. I can see the glow, but the lava itself isn't moving. Am I loading textures? Let me hit play and see. Okay, there we go. So it kind of looks like this is kind of reminding me of Helldivers. If you guys have played Helldivers, yeah, lots of lava animations happening, going through a cave. It's kind of like a roller coaster or something from the way. Oh, never mind. And we see the top of the volcano. Yep, there's the liquid moving all around, kind of the lava coming down the volcano. Seeing from a far angle, seeing a giant smoke in the sky, kind of opposition from the lava or from the volcano. But yeah, overall, really cool cinematic. And let's go ahead and check out the next one. So this is the Robot 3 character that we saw. So we see the modular design. It's all broken up into a ton of parts. And then we have different color variations, comes with a really hyper realistic or futuristic looking gun, and it is rigged to the UE5 skeleton. So as we can see here, and yeah, overall pretty cool looking character. And that pretty much covers the FAB assets. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.